I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by securing the car. Park level, set the parking brake, remove the key, and wait 2 to 3 minutes so electronics go to sleep. Open the hood and remove any engine cover or trim piece to expose the battery. In some Audi A4s, the battery sits in the trunk, so check both locations and your manual as needed. Put on gloves and eye protection. Lay out a 10mm wrench, 13mm socket, and a battery strap. Keep your phone away so you don't trigger electrical loads. First, you must remove the negative terminal. Loosen the clamp with a 10mm and pull the cable free, then move it clear so it can't touch the terminal. Once done, loosen and remove the positive terminal in the same way. Do not let tools bridge the two posts. Next, remove any hold-down bracket or clamp with a 13mm socket and lift off washers. Finally, use a battery strap or have a helper lift the battery straight up. Avoid tilting, which can spill acid. To finish, clean corrosion from terminals and tray with a baking soda solution and a brush, rinse and dry, then apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to the posts to prevent future corrosion. Place the battery back, secure the hole down, connect the positive terminal first, tighten, then connect negative last. Once everything's snug, start the car to verify. If it won't start, make sure clamps are tight and free of corrosion, check main fuses, and scan for stored fault code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.